guys, it's Shay'auna Alexis. Thank you for clicking on my video because you didn't have to, but you did. A quick get ready, well, I'll call it an everyday look because, yeah, I did one before a couple years ago, but YouTube took my sound off, so yeah.
Alright, my face is super red because of this face mask I did about 10 minutes ago, so bear with me, okay? Not using foundation, I'm just using 2 different concealers, and I'm only putting it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a tiny bit on my forehead, and a little on my chin, and that's it. And for my eyebrows, I like using a powder, so I like doing it with a brown and an eyeshadow palette, so that way I can feather it out and kind of blend it a little bit and it's not as harsh. I try and use like the same browns all over my face. Like if I contour my nose, if I contour my cheeks, then I like using the same brown that I did for my eyebrows because everything just blends a lot better. But that's just my personal opinion.
So now I have to do my hair really quick. If you guys like this video, I hope I did a well enough job talking you through what I was doing. See you guys later, and make sure you subscribe and share this video, and bye guys.